Welcome back to another Mixology Monday. I'm Bree.
And I'm Lee. I'm going to show you how to make Martin Kate's Navy Grog.
All right, and that's how you make the Navy Grog.
Navy Grog.
This cocktail is beautiful in color and it smells really good with this grapefruit garnish. So tell us a little about the drink.
So basically it's lime, grapefruit, Demerara syrup, and sugar. Or Demerara syrup is the sugar. Demerara syrup and rum. So I used our great rum. I love it so much and it works really great with this drink. I made it without the garnish at first. And it seemed like a little one note, not a bunch going on. So what I did was I added a twist of grapefruit peel on there. So basically, took my peeler here. You can use whatever peeler you got at home. Took a peel of the grapefruit, and then expressed the oils onto the top of the drink and onto the lip of the drink. And that makes such a big difference scent-wise and flavor-wise. It adds a little bit more of that grapefruit flavor, which is kind of bitter, a bit more intense. And you can smell it once you put that close to your nose, and it just makes all the difference in the world for this drink. It's
amazing. It's very light, very, I'd say like airy almost. It's a really great cocktail. Another great one for summer.
Yeah.
But if you want to check out more cocktails just like this, Lee teaches cocktail classes here at the distillery. So check that out with the link in our bio or just through our website. And until next Mixology Monday, we'll see you next time.
See ya.
Bye.